Hi, I am Terry, and this is the long-awaited CMS tutorial. Now, I've already got my CMS folder here, and I've got my index.php file inside. I've also got my assets subdirectory, which contains our style sheet. Now, before we get into coding any PHP, we are going to create the design of our site. So I'm assuming that you have basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. So we'll take things slowly. So let's get started. I'm going to create my HTML tags. Inside here we'll have our head and body tags. Inside our head tag we will have title CMS tutorial. And we need to link to the style sheet, so link rel equals style sheet, href equals assets slash style.css. So now in our body we need to create a container, so div class equals container, and in here we will create our logo. So href equals index.php, id equals logo, and we'll just call this CMS for now. Close off our anchor tag. Now what we need to do is create a list. So I'm just going to add a couple of alt tags, which stands for ordered list, and inside here we will have a li and a href. Close those off, and this will be linked to something like article.php, id equals 1, and this will be our article title. So that looks about good. If we open this up in our browser, it's quite ugly at the minute, but that's about to change. So in our style.css file we are going to set the width of container to 500 pixels, and we are going to center it using margin 0 auto. There we go. Now this is a little bit close to the top of the page, so I'm just going to add some padding to the body. So padding top equals, let's say, 120 pixels, and we're also going to change the font family to Arial. There we go. Now these default link colors look a little bit off-putting, so we are going to fix that. So a link, a visited, we'll make the color slate gray with a text decoration of none. Just get rid of that underline, and we'll also add a bottom border of 1 pixel dotted slate gray. So this is looking nice so far. Next we need to change the hover. So we'll set the color to, let's see, 777. And no, we'll make it a bit darker. Let's try 444. Yeah, that looks nice. And we'll set the border bottom color to 444. So there we go, we've got our basic style. Actually, next to this article title we will output the date it was posted, so it'll be something like small posted, we'll just say 10th of January. I'm just going to organize this a bit so it'll all fit onto the screen. Like so. So now everything looks good. Yeah, I think that looks nice. In the next tutorial we will actually be displaying our articles, so we can look forward to that.